Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change between light and dark mode. Manage dark mode settings, for example turn on as scheduled between sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. Next we can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, extra brightness, change motion smoothness between adaptive and standard, enable or disable eye comfort shield, change screen mode between vivid, natural and white balance between cool and warm. Also in advanced settings you can change RGB manually. Next we can change font size and style, enable or disable bold font, change screen zoom, manage full screen apps, and camera cutout. Enable easy mode, edge panels, and manage navigation bar between buttons, swipe gestures, enable or disable gesture hint, and show button to hide keyboard. And for buttons, we can change button order. Next we can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and set screensaver. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.